airspeed is just alive now.
She's coming up. She'll have hit flying speed by the taxiway. Just keep the nose very light. And she wants to go. Let her go. Let her go and push it over. Push. There we go. Now climb out at 60 initially.
Right, she's trimmed for 500 at 70.
Perfect. You've done this before, Noel. Nudge there. It's just one off the red.
Habitual traffic. Equity Golf Victor Bravo is doing a low right-hand circuit.
That's it. She's going to go back up again now, so she needs to be brought over. She needs about 115 knots. That's where the speed will sit on us.
I haven't done the power yet.
No, the power is fine. The power is fine because you're still climbing, and you need to push it over to 115 knots to stop the climb.
It's an unusual attitude, isn't it?
I know it is, but that's what we have to do.
Habitual traffic. Equity Golf Victor Bravo.
Now, USY with those boys.
Runway 28, slow pass. Downwind.
Echo India, Tango Foxtrot Charlie.
Echo Tango Fox Charlie, double no, QNH is 1002. Stand by.
An autopilot, Noel.
Yeah, it's going well now.
And that's because you have it trimmed out. Noel set it up right. You set everything up. He knows his stuff. Good stuff, Noel.
Sure, pilot.
Just keep an eye on it there, Paul. Good.
I have control.
Never miss an opportunity to photograph a rainbow.
Somewhere over there, isn't it, Noel? Somewhere over there.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high.
Looks nice out here.
Yeah, it's grand here now. It's a great day for flying.
Yeah, that looks nice up there too.
So what are you getting on true airspeed there? About 120 knots.
122 ground speed, yeah.
I beg to differ, it's 123.
You perfectionist, you're just a complete perfectionist, Nolly. 40, 45, 50, 55. That's the display, it's reading
Echo
back.
Fox Charlie, flight information in your 11 o'clock position, about 4 miles showing 2,000 feet unverified, tracking towards the northwest.
We're looking for the traffic, no sighting yet. We're going to lower our height.
Roger there, descending anyway.
We're turning away from him now.
Yeah, we're turning away from him, yeah.
He's heading for RD as well up there.
Stay this way.
11. He was at 11.
Yeah.
So we went towards
we've
1.
turned right.
Plan rate Victor Alpha, direct to Latmo and contact approach 121.
Give it another 50 RPM, Noel, please. And we'll just start out. There's that airplane just gone up there now. See him there?
Yeah, I see him.
Unrestricted.
Well done. Dublin Echo Fox with Charlie, visual the news with QSY Western.
Echo Fox Charlie, Roger 122.4. Goodbye.
Bye-bye, thank you. Afternoon, Western Tower, Echo India, Tango Fox with Charlie, just approaching Kilcock inbound at field.
Tango Fox with Charlie, Western Tower, hello, QNH 1002, record me note.
1002, Echo Fox with Charlie. So Foxtrot Charlie is just approaching North Manu.
Tango Fox with Charlie, you're in right base, runway 25.
Have to call base.
Hold her steady there. Now, that's it. Look at the airspeed starting to bleed. Yeah. Keep the nose up.
And Echo Foxtrot Charlie just established right base 55. That's join over.
Tango Fox with Charlie, Roger, wind is on runway 25, cleared to land.
Right. Clear to land 25, Echo Foxtrot Charlie.
Squeeze that rudder. Just a tiny squeeze of rudder. Just tiny squeeze. That's it. No power. None whatever.
I have no power.
Is that in your general life or?
You know me so well.
Keep another squeeze of rudder. Little squeeze of rudder, a little bit of left aileron. Squeeze the rudder. Squeeze it, squeeze it.
Summertime and the living is easy. Fish are a-jumping and the cotton is high. Your pappy's rich, your mammy's good looking,
consider yourselves checked?
You go
We'll do a few more circuits. When
Oh yeah, well you're checked to go off, but like I would
You'll
definitely say
spread
let's
out
come up
your
and do some circuits.
wings and take to the sky.